Get ready for a fun yoga adventure. We'll move, stretch, and play together while building strength and calmness. Let's start and see how amazing your body can feel. Stand still like a mountain. Don't move. Stretch and try this move. Reach up high like you're touching the clouds. Hold your pose like a superhero on a mission. You reach up high like you're touching the clouds. Bend forward like a bow ready to shoot. Curl up like a cozy little ball. Balance carefully like a bird on a branch. Stand tall like a proud sunflower. Can you try this fun yoga move? Let's see how you do. Let's see if you can hold this pose like a pro. If you can do this pose, hit the like button. Are you ready to stretch like a superstar? Are you up for trying this exciting move? Can you copy this pose perfectly? Give it a try! try this cool stretch and feel the magic. Show me how strong and flexible you are. Let's challenge you with this awesome yoga pose. Great job today. Keep practicing and don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you next time.